Hey guys, it's Alyssa. So today I'm going to be unboxing this Glossier box, and then I'm gonna try out the products for y'all. So basically, I guess the last few makeup related videos I've done, which I don't do very many because I don't wear that much makeup, but generally I like to use like makeup that has the least amount of chemicals and is more like plant-based and stuff. And Glossier is not like totally plant-based, but like they try to avoid using, you know, unnecessary chemicals and stuff. So I decided to make a little exception for them, especially because like their packaging is nice. But yeah, I did my research, so I feel like their products are at least better than like a lot of the drugstore stuff. So anyway, I'm going to be unboxing this, and also change of setup. I'm still at my house on spring break, but I feel like whenever I film makeup videos, I do it in here, my bathroom, because I like the wallpaper, so I'm just gonna keep up with that trend. So I'm gonna open this before I try anything out, so let's go. Okay. The big reveal. Boy. So here's the bottom section with my bag full of stuff. So I ordered let's see, like 5 things, I think. And I used somebody's discount code because this was gonna be like kind of pricey, and it was still kind of pricey, but I got 20% off, so it helped a lot. So I'll make sure to link that person down below. And if you've already ordered from them, what I did, I just made a new account. So yeah. So first thing I have is, oh actually I'm gonna show you this first. It's like the sample thing. I think it's like perfume or something. So now on to the stuff I actually ordered. First thing I'm gonna do, since I'm probably least excited about this just because I already use it a lot, and this one I will not be testing. I mean, I'm gonna like put it on even though it's already on, if you can see. Okay, but it's just the Boy Brow, and I get it in blonde. And I got 2 because I kind of go through them fast. Technically, I probably put on a little bit more than you're supposed to, but I have really light eyebrows, okay? So, next thing, let's see. I think this is called Wowder. Yes. Wowder. This is supposed to be like a finishing powder, which I've literally never had a finishing powder, so kind of excited about this. But, here's the little box. Okay, so there's like a kind of like netty looking thing. So I guess you just like put a brush on it, which I just realized I don't even really have a brush, but whatever. We'll figure something out. And then next thing I got was the skin tint, and I got it in the lightest shade. Some people said that like they went for a little bit darker because it's so thin, but like I don't ever wear foundation. I have like a tiny bit of concealer on because I have some pimples, but yeah, like I don't really wear foundation or anything, so that's why I was like, I'll just get this to sort of like even out the skin tone or whatever. But yeah, I got the lightest shade, and okay. And then last thing I got was the cloud paint, which this has probably the nicest packaging out of everything, as you can see. So like, slide out the box, okay. And I got Beam because I was like looking, I like literally debated this color for so long, but I decided to get this one because they have a little video on the website of like different, or I think it's like the same model putting it on, but like I was looking at the girl that was really pale because that's kind of me. And I really liked how this one looked, also because she had blue eyes and I have like pretty blue eyes, so it was like, might bring out my blue eyes. Okay, so yeah, I got this, but huge fan of this packaging, and there's the back. Okay, I was gonna wash off my makeup, but like all I have on right now going into this is my eyebrows are done, so I'm just not gonna redo them because I'm literally would be using the same product. And then I have some mascara on and a little bit of concealer, and there was some blush on earlier, but like I literally can't see anymore, so I think we're good to go, and that'll save us some time. So I'm gonna start with the skin tint. And again, sorry this is like, I'm literally gonna be showing you like 3 products put on, but like Well, it'll be 4 if you include the boy brow, but their stuff is kind of expensive, and I was trying to get like the most necessary things. If I was to get something else, I would have gotten, oh, hold up. Also, I will show you this Generation, I think it's just the Generation lipstick or something like that. I already have this, but I'll also put it on just to like complete the look. I would have gotten the balm.com if I had ordered something else, and I like almost got it, but then I was like, I already have this, so it would like, not, you know, it's not really that necessary. So yeah, okay. So I'm gonna start with the skin tint. I think I'm gonna put my hair up first. Okay. Clearly there's a reason I got bangs, but yeah, we're gonna start with this. So I'm going to put some on my hand. It's kind of watery, which is a little weird, but we'll try it. Okay. I guess I'll try my hand. It smells kind of good. It kind of feels like really oily right now, but also like I don't normally wear anything on my face, so like that's just me. But I do have some experience with makeup before I like say anything about this, because I don't want to be like, I don't know what I'm talking about, because for anyone who's new to my channel or just doesn't know, I am a dancer, and so I've been doing competitions since I was like 6. So I've been wearing makeup a lot for that, though I guess that's more like stage makeup, so I'm like used to it being kind of uncomfortable. But yeah, there's that. I mean, I feel like I'm just gonna kind of agree with what I've seen people say, because I definitely did some research before I like, you know, got this stuff, and I agree that it's really thin, because like I'm noticing though, because I have a lot of like, you know, a little bit of redness and stuff. I definitely think it's helping with that. So if you're somebody like me who like doesn't really wear a lot of foundation or stuff normally, but like wants a little bit of coverage, I definitely think this is good. I'd give this like an 8 out of 10. I don't know, that's kind of random because I don't know what I'm basing that off of, but yeah, no, I like it. It's cool. It's a little pricey, but also I didn't use that much of it, so I feel like it could last me a while, especially because like I'm not gonna wear it like every day or anything. But yeah, that's cool. Okay, so now we're gonna try the Wowder. I'm like afraid to tip it because I don't want it to like get all messed up. Okay, so this is the only brush I have. Yeah, I think this might be it. I have like, hold up. Okay, wait, I do have some Real Techniques brushes. So I have like this. I think I'm still gonna use this though, because I want it to be light. Hold up, wait. If this is finishing powder, I should probably do the blush first. So we're gonna start with the Cloud Paint next. So this, I think, oh, I gotta open it. I don't know if I should put it on my, I guess I'll just put some on my finger and then like blend it. I don't know, okay. I'm so afraid I'm gonna do, like, overdo this. Okay. That's probably too much. Okay, yeah, I think that was too much, but... oh, crap. Okay, so I think I just made myself look a little bit sunburned because I put, like, way too much on. But, that being said, you don't need very much of this, which just means it's gonna go pretty far. Actually, it doesn't look like too overdone, you know, but like, I don't know. It's a little overdone, but it's not bad. But I think I think it looks pretty good. I don't know. Yeah, actually, okay. I think it was just, it looked too much because I was like rubbing, you know. I think it looks okay. I might do like a little, like over here it looks a little overdone, but that might just be the lighting in my bathroom because it's not great. But yeah, I like this color a lot. Like, I think it's pretty different than anything I have. So I'm gonna do the Wowder next. This stuff doesn't smell as good as the other thing did, but that's okay. Okay, I think I put enough on. Yeah, I like this. I think it works pretty well. It's definitely light. I think it kind of helped a little bit with how I was saying I felt a little oily with the other stuff, but again, can't stress this enough. I don't normally wear like anything on my face. So I don't feel like me saying that it's like oily or not like is the most accurate statement in the world, you know? Okay, so now that my bangs are back and I look a little bit more normal, I'm going to try out this. No, I'm not trying it on. I use it like every day, but whatever. And I think, I don't know if I said this, but it's the shade Like. And shout out to my friend Morgan for getting this for me. She went to some like glossier event or something. But yeah, so that's it. This stuff I like a lot. I think works well. Actually, I've been using this and not really using chapstick, and that's been working out fine, so that's cool. Overall, I'd say I like this stuff. What I'm noticing about all this stuff is it's supposed to be light coverage, and I didn't put too much on except for this, but like I didn't need to. So I think even though this stuff is expensive, I think it will go a long way unless you're just like me and you overdo the eyebrows. But that being said, I would definitely recommend all these products. If you shop from Glossier, let me know if there's anything I should try, because that'd be cool. And I'm going to link that girl's link down below so you can get the 20% off if you decide to order from Glossier. And yeah, that's all for this video. So stay tuned for more videos. Bye.